Today we'll talk about how can you enable biometrics on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you can here to enable biometrics here, click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us, that's mean biometrics, it's enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do, just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.